My name is Emiliyan.
I'm Monika.
We are living here together with our two children in Netherlands.
Freya is almost 3 years and Tanya is almost 1. When we discovered Tanya hearing loss was very hard for us because we didn't expect. Nobody in our family had hearing loss. First we started with hearing aids and they was completely not good.
So at this moment we choose Cochlear Nucleus Nexa System. It was a Christmas gift because in 1 month she already had the operation.
Yeah. They wanted as soon as possible.
The first time when they activate the processors on both sides, this moment she started look around, she started smile. So we saw at this moment that she's hearing.
Yeah, they turned them on just like different baby.
Yeah, it makes us feel really good.
Like 1 week later she started babbling, repeating, laughing also.
During one checkup in the hospital, they wanted to make an update on the processors, so they had to replace, and with this technology SmartSync, in about 20 seconds it get the settings from the inside. They make the new processor like that. About the app, I can say that we didn't have this possibility with the hearing aids, so it was something new for us, and of course something better because we could follow all the time the percentage of the battery, for example. The battery is keeping really long time, even more than 24 hours.
Yes.
So with the new Nucleus 8 Nexa Sounds processor, it's really nice that you can stream, for example, calls or music.
This will be her future. This will help her with everything what is possible, and she will not be different than other child, and she will get normal school, everything.
For long term, yeah, this is the future. It will come with another updates and upgrades. Her life changed.
Our life changed also.
Our life changed also. Yeah, little by little the things came in order.